Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty neat design and one of the easiest ways to do like an over, under, intersecting type graphic. The only main consideration, you start with a six-sided polygon and start in the center of the page. That's the only major deal. Control D and make a duplicate, and then holding down the shift key to bring it in a little bit. Now, if you'll look at, well, it's kind of gone past there, but I'm going to hit Control D, and I'm going to grab the four-sided cross and put it right there. No, excuse me, right there on the inside. And then I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to put that. I didn't grab the four-sided cross. They're all you need. So if you'll take a screenshot from that, and then just take, pretty important to take your two-point line while holding down the control button. Start moving it and then hold down your control button. And then go right through here, and you're just going between nodes to node. Now, remember, we're working in the center of the page, so we don't have to do anything. I'm just going to get my virtual segment delete key and delete those lines. I'm going to go ahead and group this together, Control G, and I'm going to get my Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to nudge that out of the way twice. I'm going to move this out of the way. It's all grouped together, so I'm going to nudge this back twice. I'm going to Control D, alternate C to rotate from the center of the page, and we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. That one's already selected. Hold down the Shift key and select every other one and make it red. It can't be any easier than that right there. Now, not saying you'll ever draw that, but that's just one way to think about doing something like that. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.